Hello everybody, I hope you're ready to create. So first of all, I'm sitting next to my window and I can see outside. I'm using normal watercolors, kids watercolor, pencil, water and a Sharpie, but if you don't have a Sharpie you can just use a black pen, that's fine. So let's get ready to start drawing. We are inspired by Paul Klee today. So while you look at your view outside, I want you to simplify what you can see into really basic shapes such as squares and triangles, and make it as simple as you want. And maybe as you go you could talk about the shapes you're using. So I'm just drawing my street, but I'm making it really simple, and I'm also using my imaginations with the shapes I'm using. So it might be something that's can't really see, like the train tracks, but I know that they're behind the trees, so I'm gonna add some train tracks. And I can see some chimneys, so I'm adding some chimneys, and I'm kind of overlapping what I can see and just using geometric shapes. We are now ready to add color. Just like Paul Klee, I want you to think about the colors you're using and how you're feeling. I'm going to use warm colors because it's a really nice afternoon and it's sunny and warm. So I'm going to use the warm colors. That's the red, the orange and the yellows on my palette. And I can mix those colors together. They're going to mix really well, so that's fine. And remember, you need to use the tip of your paintbrush. And if you're struggling a little bit, you need to add more water because your paintbrush should really glide across the paper. If you want to test it, you can draw on the top of your hand and it should just tingle. And here you can see I'm just coloring in all the different shapes in different shades of red and orange and yellows, trying not to have them next to each other. And also, I've chosen those colors not only because they remind me of warm sunshine, but also the houses I'm looking at are made of red bricks, so I think that fits really well. So have a look at what you can see and the colors you can see and how you feel about those. But it's important that you kind of choose a color group and then you sort of stick to it. You may want to add some little touches of other colors. You can see I had some help by a little gremlin came and helped me. So that's why my drawing's looking a bit messy, but that's fine. And I'm going to do the sky now. For the sky I'm choosing a different color group. I'm choosing blue because that's how the sky is, but it's up to you. Now a really interesting point I'm showing you with my fingers earlier is that you can see the color bled into each other. That's because I didn't wait until it was dry to paint next to it. So every time you change color, you need to wait for the other colors to be dried. Otherwise, they're going to blend into each other, which can create a quite nice effect, but you might not want to have that. Once you finish coloring, you need to wait until it's dry. This is really important. And then you can go over your line with your black pen. Now, if you don't wait until it's dry, you're going to break your pen, and it's not going to look nice. So please wait at least a few minutes for it to be really dry. And here we are, I'm almost finished. All I'm going to do is add a few details like patterns in some of the shapes, just to make my painting a little bit more exciting. It's up to you if you do this. I'm still looking at the window. I'm trying to pick out some details I can see, but I'm giving it my own spin on it. And it's finished. I'm looking forward to see what you do. Bye!